Hello everyone, and this is Edmond Mindaros channel and here with another quick tutorial. At sa video ito ay tuturo ko on how to fix show accent color grayed out for the start menu and taskbar in Windows 11. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process guys, and let's go ahead. Ang next step ay dito lang sa start menu, so right click lang tayo and then select mo lang yung settings. Dito sa settings ay kailangan mo lang i-select yung personalization. And then dito sa personalization, kailangan mo lang i-select yung colors. And then dito sa colors ay kung paano ba natin ipipix itong show accent color on start and taskbar not available. So hindi siya ma-prisma kaibigan. Ayan, so naka-light color siya dito. Okay, so ang next step dito na pwede natin gawin para maayos yan. So dito lang sa pinakauna yung choose your mode. So kailangan natin itong i-change. So click mo lang tong arrow na to. And then select mo lang yung dark. Alright, so once na-select mo na yung dark, so scroll down. And then ito na siya mga kaibigan. So makikita mo dito na available na yung show accent color on start and taskbar. And then kailangan mo lang itong i-turn on. Ayan, so pwede ka nang mag-customize ng color dito sa taskbar. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple mga kaibigan kung paano natin ipipix yung show accent color grayed out or start menu and taskbar sa Windows 11. Alright, so please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials and tips. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment below. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.